Guys, absolutely massive leak today. What you're seeing right now is your first look at the Apple Watch Pro, which is this new rugged edition with stronger titanium. We have so much to talk about today because there's been a number of other leaks about the new Apple Watches. So if you're excited, drop a like, seriously helps me out. And of course hit subscribe so you never miss a beat on Apple news. So I wake up today, I roll out of bed, and this is the first thing that I see on Twitter. And guys, this is real. This is actually unironically the Apple Watch Pro. But why am I so confident? Why do I believe this? Well, number one, it's because this is from 91 Mobiles, who does have a pretty solid track record of leaking things. And number two, Mark Gurman said that this is in fact real. And you have to remember, Mark Gurman was the first ever source to tell us about the existence of this watch. And combined with Mark's track record, yeah, I think that this is real. And holy is so much different than we thought. So let's just start off here with this overall design. I mean, right away, I'm seeing this completely flat display that, again, perfectly matches what rumors have said. What I'm not seeing is any flat sides. You guys remember we've been looking at images like this forever that was allegedly going to be this pro or rugged version of the watch, but as we can see now, it looks like Apple canceled those plans and it's not going to be that. It's still going to have some rounded edges, although not as round as before. But no, the most insane thing here is the way the side looks and how much different the digital crown is along with the side button, because it looks entirely different. And to me, it looks a little bit more than just different. I think that there's something else going on here that we can't see in this CAD engineering file. I think there's going to be a plastic case or rubber housing that goes around the watch. And I say that because if you really look at the side of this, why would Apple raise the metal like that just straight up? Like, what functional benefit is that? It just makes it like really weird looking, and I don't see Apple just shipping this piece of metal that looks like this. I mean, what we're looking at in this file matches up perfectly with these leaked Apple Watch Pro cases, and I could genuinely see Apple offering something like this themselves. Because again, this is a more rugged and different version of the watch. Like, this is by no means going to be the watch for everyone. This is going to be the watch for the people that want to do some crazy stuff with it. So yeah, I think Apple's shipping a case, or at least offering one natively for the first time. I'm not saying it's confirmed, I'm just saying this looks too weird for there to not be a case or something going around the housing. Moving on now to the side view, you can really see the thickness of this watch as well, which adds up considering that we've heard the battery is getting bigger, which is amazing. It's going to be the first Apple Watch since the original launched in 2015 that has better battery life than 18 hours. I'm looking at this real carefully. I just don't think we realize how thick this is right now, because it's a chonker, okay, for sure. Here's the back view that you guys can see now, which doesn't really show us a lot other than like, yeah, there's kind of an Apple Watch band blocking the view of the rear. What I think is really interesting is this last image, which rotates it to show the left side now of the watch. And can you guys see that there's a button now here on the left side that kind of looks identical to the current side button? It's sitting underneath what looks to be a redesigned speaker grill, but this would now mean that there is a digital crown side button on the right side and now a third left side button that we haven't gotten before. So obviously this prompted everybody going, okay, that's weird. Apple's never done this. What's this third button gonna be for? And according to Mark Gurman, it is going to be a programmable button for certain actions or workouts, which is actually brilliant because there are so many times that it's like, you know, you're in the middle of a run and you forget to start a workout, that you have to stop, go over, tap on workouts, scroll down to find what you want, where like if you're always cycling or always running or always walking, imagine being able to just press a button on the left side and it starts the workout immediately with no friction. I think that would be brilliant. It's fun working through this in real time with you guys because it feels like we're discovering things at the same time. I mean, I gotta say, listen, this is a wild design. This is completely different than what we had heard for years. It is completely different than what we expected, and it is certainly not what I expected to see 2 days before the event. Obviously, I've got to hear your thoughts about this down below, but like Mark Gurman, like 91 Mobiles, like others that are saying this now, I believe this to be real. I know it's weird. I know it's not what we were expecting, but I genuinely see it. I think Apple was going to do something different, and this really looks more rugged. It looks way stronger than the watch we have now. But guys, I don't have information today just on the Apple Watch Pro. What if you don't want to drop the $900 to $1,000 that Apple's going to charge for the new rugged Pro watch? Well, that's why they're releasing a new version of the standard Series 8. And the name, size, and one of the colors is confirmed in this new image courtesy of Shrimp Apple Pro, which uses the Series 8 branding in a silver aluminum case, so obviously aluminum will be around again, and it confirms that 41 millimeters will also stay as the smaller size. We also have some additional details in another tweet though that says, yes, the Series 8 will come in 41 and 45 millimeter sizing options, but that like the blue and green are going away, and it's really just going to be like black, white, and a new version of red that's coming. As far as packaging goes, it's going to be pretty much identical to last year with really no changes at all. And finally, as for the supply, at least of the standard Series 8, Apple apparently has gotten it down. There should be no shortages, so you won't have to like rush to pre-order to get the watch or anything. It sounds like Apple's really figured things out for the supply launch. Really, as much as I am stoked for the iPhone 14 series, I am also fascinated to see these new watches. The standard Series 8, the new lower end SE2 model, and the Series 8 Pro or Apple Watch Pro. It looks insane. I can't believe we've seen it. I don't know. Processing this in real time with you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. I cannot wait. I am so excited. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be a crazy event. See you in just a few hours when it happens, and I'll probably make another video before then anyway. So I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Watch crazy. Bye.